It's that feel-good factor knowing you've got the best deal anywhere in the United States of America on perhaps one of America's favorite crafting tools. The versatility, the flexibility, and the power of Brothers Iconic. This is the Scan and Cut for one day and one day only. You've got the best deal and the most added extras. If this has been on your wish list, if you asked Santa to bring it to you and he forgot to bring it to your house this past Christmas, today is the day where you indulge just a little bit and get something that will bring you so much joy and so much happiness. What is it? Well, this is a cutting machine that doesn't need a laptop or a desktop or a PC or a Mac, nothing attached to it. This is a machine with hundreds of built-in designs, all accessed and operated through this screen. So easy to use, there's no doubt, but this is the only machine of its kind and of its type that has a scanner built in. So above and beyond all the designs that are already integrated, you can now scan anything that you fancy and really transform that design into something you're making, creating, or crafting. I want to tell you about the value that we put together today because it is the reason we are 70% completely sold out. You obviously are going to get the iconic Scan and Cut machine, typically priced at $400. If we go to most retail stores in America today, that is the price we'll pay. We're going to include, because we love you very much, the CD with 50 extra cutting patterns. That's another $50 or so. And we're going to send you the 12 by 24 cutting mat. There's another $32. It basically adds up to totals just shy of 500 bucks. We're getting it for just over 300, and we're going to make it easy to afford with our 5 flex pays of $63.99. If you've been thinking about it all day long since it launched at midnight, we're going to do a presentation, just to tell you what happened. I always like to give you full disclosure. They have trimmed the presentation because there's not really that many left for tonight and also for the remaining shows this evening. So let's get started. There is an amazing lady, and I want to just tell you because she's done it all. She's a painter, a product designer, a teacher, an author, and a blogger, and also a wonderful, wonderful lady. The awesome Julie Fayfan-Balzer is back on HSN. I'm going to bring my iPad. I am so thrilled to see you.
I'm so thrilled to see you. I love crafting with you.
Oh, well, you make it fun because you bring all the right tools.
Well, I'm so glad you feel that way. And I'm glad you talked about the scanning because, again, this is the ScanNCut DX. Yeah. And it is an absolutely fantastic, easy-to-use machine. And we're going to start right with the scanning. Okay. So in the machine right here, you can see that I have placed a little bunny file, right? It's just something I printed out, no big deal.
We love bunnies.
What I'm going to do now is use the built-in scanner. So let's talk about how intuitive and easy to use this machine is. Okay. On this big color LCD screen, I am gonna press scan because I want to scan the bunny and I want to create a cut file from it, and all I do is press start, and now the built-in scanner in this machine is gonna go ahead and scan that bunny in. There is no other electronic cutter that has that built-in scanner. And this is gonna allow you to turn your kids' drawings, your handwriting, anything you see on the internet, a coloring book page, even existing die cuts that you have, even the doily from under your cappuccino, into a custom cut file that you can use for whatever you want. As soon as it appears on the touch screen, I can see it, and I can go ahead and I can drag in the arrows just to be nice and tight around the bunny so that I'm sure that I'm getting a nice clean scan. Once that's done, I can hit preview. And like you said, Adam, there's a computer inside here, which is why I don't need a tablet or an extra PC or Mac. I can save it into the memory of the machine. I can save it wirelessly because this comes wirelessly activated and ready, so you can save it to your free CanvasWorkspace account on your PC, on your tablet, on your Mac. Or you can save it to a USB thumb drive. So we're gonna save it into the machine. And I love that I can actually save things directly in here because this means I can take the machine with me and have all the files there, which is really cool.
We're gonna show you as much as we can in the remaining 15 minutes, whether it's on paper, plastic, vinyl, leather, fabric, foam, felt, cardboard, balsa wood. I mean, it really is, it's a powerful machine that's easy to use. When Julie said that it's intuitive, that's the exact word, which reminds me, right now, I do have to give a call out to my next door neighbor, Leslie, mom of Jack and Ella, because Leslie, who is a big fan of you and of the Brother Machine, this is Leslie's favorite crafting product that she ever bought. So and she just made a fabulous costume for Jack, like a robot costume for school and everything. Long story. But anyway, I said I'd give her a shout out. Leslie, I know you love this, but that's the response we get from so many folks.
It is. I love hearing that, and I know that my crafting life has been made so easy by the ScanNCut because I'm a really messy, I mean, I hate to confess this, but I am a messy, terrible, like pig pen person, and the ScanNCut makes me look like I am neat and clean. So I am using the giant 12 by 24 mat. First time we've ever shared this on HSN, and I love it. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to load it into the machine. Right here, you can see there's an arrow which shows you which direction you want to go in, okay? Then there are guides on the machine that are sort of raised. What you wanna do is place the mat so you can feel it, that it's down in between those guides and up against the bar. Then holding it in the center, you're gonna press the load button, and it is now gonna suck it in, and I can let go. The machine is now in control. And I don't have to worry about it, which I love. So then, the auto blade, and this is another industry first. I don't have to adjust anything. There are no numbers on here. It's just a plain blade. Now on the screen, when I look at my different options, I'm not choosing the material. This happens to be fabric, but it doesn't matter to the machine. The machine is smart. All I have to do is press cut, and then start, and now it is gonna cut this out for me. And what I did while Adam was giving a shout out to his neighbor, who, thank you so much, I'm glad that you love the ScanNCut, is I use the onboard editing in the machine to take my tiny little bunny and make him a big bunny so that I could really make a big statement about Easter. And I love that this means anything I bring in, I can customize the size, the shape, the material. I really get exactly what I want so that all of my crafting time is spent imagining and dreaming and thinking about what I want to make instead of doing the labor of it. I mean, it's kind of like I have a sweatshop in my house, right? My ScanNCut is doing the work for me. And just like that, I have now cut out a fabric. This has fusible on the back. So my project is pretty much done. The hardest part for me is actually, there you go, getting it off the mat. But there you go, look at that really big bunny that we were able to cut out, no problem at all. And remember that it started, and you're holding that pillow, which is exactly how we made that. It started as a tiny little bunny in here into a giant bunny. I mean, I don't even know if you can see the size comparison.
Go big or go home.
It's crazy. And now you can see how with that pillow, all we had to do was iron it on. So you don't even have to sew. This could be an existing pillow in your house. We actually did this in the hotel room. That's how easy it is. You just cut it and place it on there, iron it, and you are good to go with a project, which is amazing.
Because you're getting that 12 by 24 mat, that is a huge bonus, a huge extra, so we can take those projects and go big time with it. This might be school projects, it might be crafting projects, it might be business projects. This opens up a whole new world where you're not restricted, you're not bound by your imagination, you are set free. I think so many of us, and my mom's visiting from England right now, but I think about my mom who never, ever buys things for herself. She always buys things for everybody else in the family, and she never buys things for herself. If you're at home and you are a crafter, and you know that this is just gonna take you from 0 to 60, and you know that this is something you would adore, for heaven's sake, get it for yourself. HSN makes it affordable with the flex pay. It brings it down to $63. You know, your pastime, your hobby, your enjoyment, this will give you years of smiles. Not just you, for everybody.
Well, it's for your family. If you think about it, like if you have church things, if you have camp things, even for business, it's actually really useful for presentations, for all kinds of sales things and other, I mean, I have just found having a ScanNCut in your house, you end up using it. So now I'm actually gonna show you a different type of scan. We turned the bunny file into a cut file. But now what I've done is I've taken a piece of pattern paper and I've scanned it in. And now I am gonna cut out the roses that are on this paper. Now this could be a stamped image, it could be, you know, anything that you want, and you could cut the whole sheet, but just for the sake of time, I'm just gonna cut this little center rose that I can see on the screen. And now remember, with the auto blade, I do not have to do a thing other than choose what I wanna do, which is cut, and press start. Remember, we were just cutting fabric, And now, instead, oops, it says I still have a 12 by 24 mat, which I can easily change, you can see here in the settings. So let me just go ahead and grab those settings and change over my mat.
Notice
and then
how
we'll be able to do it.
is.
Yeah, well, the other thing I like so much is that this machine really, I can see everything that I'm doing right on the screen. There we go, change over to the 12 by 12, okay? And just go ahead and cut out whatever I want, because the machine does not let you make a mistake. You could see that when I had the wrong mat in, because I've been working with the 12 by 24, it told me to change it.
Right.
And so the same thing is true if you wanna draw and you happen to have the blade in by accident because you forgot to put the pen in, which comes with it, it's not gonna let you make that mistake.
Which is wonderful.
Yes.
You can't do it wrong, it won't let you. Can I quick fire some questions for you, please, Julie?
Yes, please do.
Robin is asking, do we need to buy a special scanning mat, or can we use the mats that come with the machine?
So the answer is you can absolutely use the mats that come with it as long as you're using an opaque background.
Okay.
And so let me just explain what that means for 1 second, which is because I have a piece of paper, for instance, that this bunny is on right here. This is an opaque background, so if I put it on one of the sticky mats that has a grid, it's totally fine.
Right.
But if this were transparent or like a die cut, then you'd be able to see through it, and then you would need a scanning mat. But yeah, you can scan on any mat.
Great question. Next one is, this is from Kathy. Kathy says, Julie is awesome.
Oh,
good way
thank
to
you,
start.
Kathy.
Can she explain the emboss and foil option when she was in the cut screen?
Yeah, so the scan and cut, even though it's called scan and cut, is also scan and draw, scan and foil, scan and emboss. And what that is if you buy the embossing starter kit or the foiling starter kit, you get all the supplies that you need to be able to both emboss on paper or metal with your scan and cut, or you can also foil on a wide variety of materials. And what happens is where the blade is, the things that come in that kit, the embossing tool and the foiling tool, just sit right into where that blade is, and that is how you can do it.
The last question for this moment in time was from Tammy, who says, what is the number for the vinyl roller? Do we have any of the vinyl rollers?
Oh, yeah. Let me show that to you because it's super duper cool. But first, let me just pull this right off. Here you go. Cut out perfectly. I did not have to use scissors.
Precision.
And can you see the tiny like watercolor details of that?
It's
where
gorgeous.
It is cutting out every single tiny nook and cranny. I'm just not gonna sit there with scissors and bother with that, right? So that's amazing to me. I think it's fantastic, and it really helps you get the projects looking just the way that you want.
I think that one of the things I do want to stress, and I think maybe this is the best time to do it, obviously this is an investment. It's an investment in joy and happiness, there's no question. If you are a crafter, you love to be crafty, this is gonna give you so much in terms of just feeling rewarding and feeling just satisfied, because now you've got the tool that you need to do all those projects, do all those things, and do them perfectly and professionally. Because this is one of the last couple of presentations, and because we're 70% sold out for the day, I am cognizant, I'm conscious that time is now limited in terms of making that choice. I want you to know, beyond the flex pay that makes it affordable, every single thing that we sell on HSN has a return policy. So here's what I'm gonna say to you. I can stand here with Julie for 30, 40, 50 minutes. Sadly, we only have 7 minutes left, but we can do a lot of things. It means nothing unless you try it. I want you to try it. If you get this home and you open the box and you turn it on and you give it a go and you make your own bunny pillow and you think, it's not for me, send it back and get a refund of the purchase price so you won't lose anything. But you've got to try it. We're giving you I suppose it's permission. It's permission to say, all right, you can have a go with it. Take it for a spin. That's fun. Nothing to lose.
I tell people push all the buttons, and the best part of all is there is a project in the box. There's a full color instruction booklet and a piece of paper so that you will open your box, plug it into the wall, and make your first project.
Great.
Right away, I know.
Do that, and if you don't love it, send it back. Do that, if you don't love it, send it back. But this is the only day this year that you get this at a Today Special. And we're not talking about some little itty-bitty discount. It's down from nearly 500 to just over 300, and we're including a ton of extra bonuses. I've said too much, let's move along. More demos, please.
So you asked about the roll feeder.
Yes.
This is what it is. It's actually 2 pieces, okay? And the 2 pieces, what they do is they hook onto your machine machine. And when you hook it onto your machine, and don't worry about remembering anything that I'm doing, you know, it's totally easy. And I have a video how to do it online, but it just goes on like this. You are able to put a roll of vinyl right in here, okay? And it's gonna cut up to 6 feet continuously of vinyl. So I happen to have here, this is just 3 feet of vinyl, so it would be twice as long as this. If you wanted to put up some really cool decor in your home, put it on the side of your car, you know, on a truck for a business or anything like that, you can do it now because you can cut 6 feet. That's twice this of continuous vinyl with a roll feeder, which is just really neat. And this is a small thing, but it's a really nice detail, which is this is actually a cutter or a trimmer. So it is gonna trim your vinyl for you once it's done cutting so that there's actually really no wasted vinyl on the roll, which I love. It's the details I think that Brother really thinks of, which I appreciate.
One last quick question. Esther has the 350 machine. Can I buy the foil kit for that?
Yes, you can.
You can. You can.
You can. And again, this is one of the things I love so much about Brother is that they absolutely listen to their customers and they really make a huge effort to give you what you want. So for instance, here in the machine, people wanted storage, and that is what you have built into the machine right here. Is what I call the garage. But it's a storage place for you to put all of your materials, and you can see there's 2 of them. They're magnetic. You know, it has all the built-in designs. People wanted more, so guess what? There are more than 600 built-in designs, and we did this printout so that you could see just how many designs are actually in the machine. It's totally epic, right? And we're talking about quilt blocks. If you've ever been interested in quilting, the machine will actually draw the stitch line and then cut around it for you, your quarter-inch seam allowance, basic shapes, all kinds of things, which I think is really neat. But then, of course, Brother heard customers saying that 600 designs was not enough. So what we did is we went ahead, and now in your box, you are gonna get 2 things that seem kind of small, but are actually really important, and you can see on the screen there, which is you're gonna get these little CD and this tiny little card here. And what these are gonna do is they're gonna allow you to access some of those really cool patterns of all kinds, which are these really complex files that you saw on the screen there. So we're talking about everything in here, boxes and bags and holiday, graduation, you know, any kind of event you want that you can customize exactly as you wish, which I think is amazing. And I mentioned that project. So I just wanted to show this to you, which is this is the project book. Take it out, look through it. It is full of pictures and diagrams. It's in full color so that you really understand how to use, how to, you know, put the pen in and all that kind of stuff. And there is even a piece of paper included in the machine. You're gonna get that so that you can make this project right away and be successful right away. Don't let it sit in the box. Take it out. It's so much fun.
Brother set you up for success, and you can see with all the support materials that are there, so many of you are ordering. I do want to answer a couple questions. Lynn was asking about the roll cutter and what the price. It's $49.95, not bad at all, and it's on full flex pay of $12. We have some of the rolling tote bag, which allows you to store this wonderfully and take it with you if you're on the go. That's going to sell out probably in this airing. There's fewer than 100. That's on a flex pay